from Sweet Me, Genie.
Kita mo tayo na yan.
Hey now, let me hold you. It'll be okay. 'Cause I will love you.
Last Christmas, for me, I'm just a short fire. With your face on the level, with a fire in your I want Undercover Pigs, Sweet Genie. Genie says, let us love equally and have a Christian community and family. She also said, Saint Genie loves equally and